Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering and connecting the console. Make sure the switch has power and a stable Wi-Fi connection. Once done, close the running title using Home and X so the system can update files. Next, hover over the game icon on the home screen. Don't launch it. Press the plus or button to open options. This sequence prevents corrupted installs and ensures the system can check for the latest downloadable patch immediately. You now select Software Update and choose via the internet. This forces the console to query Nintendo's servers for the newest patch. Once the download begins, keep the switch on and connected. Interruptions can cause incomplete installs. Monitor progress on the icon. If the system finds multiple updates, allow each one to finish before launching. After installation, the console may perform a brief verification step and ask you to restart, which finalizes file replacement and prevents launch errors. You finish by launching the game to confirm the update applied. Alternatively, reopen options and view software update status. If installation fails, first reboot the switch and retry the same steps, because temporary system glitches often resolve with a restart. If failures persist, switch to a different Wi-Fi or use a mobile hotspot to rule out router issues. As a final troubleshooting tip, power cycle the router and switch. Network reinitialization commonly fixes persistent update download errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.